Credit Glory Honest Review. Watch before using. Credit Glory is a credit repair service designed for individuals looking to improve their credit score by disputing negative items like late payments, collections, and charge-offs. If you're struggling with poor credit and want a professional service to help, Credit Glory might be for you. They offer personalized credit consultation and have a team of experts who handle the dispute process on your behalf. One standout feature is their fast response time, typically getting results in 30 to 90 days. They also provide a clear, transparent pricing model, which is a flat fee per month without hidden charges. Their customer service is available via phone and email, ensuring clients can stay updated on their credit repair progress. Credit Glory works with all three major credit bureaus, Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion, to ensure that your disputes are handled comprehensively. What sets them apart is their free consultation, which allows you to understand your credit report and what negative items are dragging your score down before committing to their service. This is ideal for people who need a clearer picture of what steps to take in improving their credit. However, like any credit repair service, it's important to manage your expectations. Credit Glory can't guarantee that all negative items will be removed or that your score will drastically increase overnight. Credit repair is a gradual process that depends on your unique situation and the accuracy of the disputes filed. In some cases, Credit Glory might not be able to remove certain legitimate items, which could leave some clients dissatisfied. Additionally, the service is subscription-based, so if you're not seeing the results you want within a few months, the ongoing cost could become a factor to consider. In summary, Credit Glory offers a reputable, easy-to-use service for those looking to fix their credit, but it's not a magic solution. If you're patient and understand that credit repair is a process, Credit Glory can help you achieve significant improvements in your credit score.